Okay, so the next step is to reconnect the O2 sensor. Don't forget this. Okay, this is very important, and this is the last step before we try if we have any leaks in the exhaust. So make sure this is tight. We have shown you before how to tighten this up slowly and carefully. I think it's tight. Now remember that we have this piece to hold the cable. Be careful with this cable because it's kind of short, so don't try to force it. If you don't do it, and just go backwards and do it again. We don't want to break this cable because these are very, very, very expensive. Not only expensive, but they are very hard to get. So imagine you break this cable, you won't be able to ride your motorcycle. So anyway, so just make sure it comes out properly. Cable holder, and the cable inside the cable holder, like that, like it was before. Make sure it goes right where it was, like that. I think this is the wrong way, so I think we got the wrong way. I think this goes this way. I think. Does it go this way? No. I had it before, so let me see how this thing goes. I think this goes this way. Right? Or did it go this way? How did it go, Pepe? Do you remember? No. The other way around? This way? No. I mean, it's I think it goes this way. Yeah, it goes this way because then you have to put the holder in there, the cover. Okay, so let's put it here this way. Okay, make sure the cable goes around there properly. Okay, now we're going to take the screw, the bolt or the screw that came with it. It's a 10mm. Okay, so with the wrench, we just use the millimeter. We're gonna tighten it. Let's see. There you go. Now this thing in the upper part was actually on this holder here, so we're gonna place it in there again. There you go. And this thing goes inside it there. Okay, and make sure this thing goes there. Okay, so it seems like it's connected properly. Okay, so this is it. So everything is connected. The only thing left to do is to place the holder here and the cover, but we'll do that later once we try the air leaks. Okay, let's do that.